morning, students. Today we are going to start with first chapter, geometrical construction. Last year you already have learnt about geometric construction. You learned to draw segment, bisection of segment. You learned to draw angles and even bisection of angles also. The same thing we are going to repeat. We are going to revise before going further. So, first bisection of segments. Segment AB is equal to 8 centimeter given. So let us draw a segment of 8 centimeters. This is 0 here and 8 here. Draw the segment. Now take the compass. You already learnt how to put the pencil last year. So extend this, keep one point here more than half, the other point must be on more than half of the segment. Then cut the arc on either side of the segment. Now don't move it, don't shake it, keep this point on the other point and cut the arc which you had already drawn. So now we get the arcs, intersection of arcs. Take the scale, adjust on this intersection keep the pencil, and again on this intersection keep the pencil and adjust the scale along the pencil point and draw the line which passes through the intersection of the arcs. So this line is, this segment is bisecting this segment ABC. If you measure, you will get, this is of AB is of 8 centimeters, you will get this part as, we'll mark it as O. AO equal to as 4 centimeters and OB is equal to 4 centimeters. So AO is equal to OB, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Now let us learn how to bisect bisection of angles. Angle, example 1 I have taken angle ABC equal to 120 degree. So for that first draw the angle of 120 degree. So take the scale, draw the base arm. Now take the protractor and keep the protractor point here and adjust the pencil line and the protractor line. Now this line is here, arrow is here, from that direction take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. 120 is here. So now draw the angle. Now for bisection, take the compass, keep the pointer here at the vertex of the angle. This is angle ABC. Keep it on point B. Then take any measure. Now take any measure and draw a big arc. Now with the same measure keep it here on this point, then draw an arc. Again, now don't move the compass, keep it on this point and cut the arc. Now join the intersection point of the arcs and the vertex. Adjust in this manner and join it. So you get, this is a bisection. This angle will be 60 degree and this is angle 60 degree. So now another example of bisection of angles. Example 2. Let us take angle PQR is equal to as 85 degree. So draw the base. Draw the base arm. Take the protector. Measure the angle of 85 degree. This is 0, 60, 70, 80 and 85 is here. It is an acute angle less than 90 degree. So draw the angle. This is angle PQR. Now take the compass. Take any measure. Keep it on the vertex and cut the arc. In this way also we can cut the arc. Now keep it on this point. We can do in two ways. Either we can take more than half or the same and cut the arc. Then keep on this point. Cut the arc. The intersection point will be the bisector of the angle. Now keep the pencil point here and adjust with this vertex point and this and draw the bisector. This is the angle bisection.